tablets aren't just big phones anymore, and this changes everything. Today, it's all about real work on the go. That's where OPPO steps in with two devices, the compact OPPO Pad Mini and the powerful Pad 5 Pro, built for entertainment, productivity, and creativity. But do they actually deliver? Let's find out.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Starting with the Pad Mini in that eye-catching Donico finish. First impression, the design instantly hooks you. Ultra-slim 2.99mm bezels and smooth corners make it look super clean. At 8.8 inches, it's the perfect middle ground, easy one-hand use and small enough to slip into a pocket. Add a case and stylus, and boom, it's basically a mini notebook you can carry anywhere. Flip it over, and it gets even better. The metal spray anodized back feels premium and blends perfectly into the frame. It's just 279 grams and only 5.39 millimeters thin. But here's the twist. It still packs an 8,000 milliamp hour battery with 67-watt fast charging. That combo of slim and powerful, pretty impressive. Now the display. This version has the soft light screen, and it's something different, an OLED 2.5K lemon soft light panel with a pastel mode that almost feels like paper. Think color e-ink vibes. Easy on the eyes, perfect for long sessions. Then comes the experience. It runs on ColorOS 16 Gold Label, paired with the OPPO Pencil 3 Pro, and it feels insanely natural. Tap the stylus lightly, and you get haptic feedback plus a quick access note wheel. Writing feels like real pen on paper. Close your eyes, and you can actually feel different pen types. That level of detail? Kinda crazy. It gets smarter too. OPPO added an AI circle feature with AI drawing and chart tools. Just circle parts of your notes and it turns them into clean diagrams instantly. Fast, simple, and super useful. And here's a small but genius touch: stylus tracking. Lose your pen? Just trigger a ringtone and find it easily. Little things like this make a big difference. Connectivity is another win. Using an OPPO phone, the tablet auto-connects to its network. No hotspot setup needed. Calls and messages sync smoothly, and surprisingly, it even syncs notifications from an iPhone. That flexibility is rare. Performance, no complaints. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, supports up to 2.5K resolution and 144 FPS in games like Peacekeeper Elite. Gaming, streaming, work, it all runs smooth. You can even do PC-level video editing, so vlogging on the go is totally possible. So yeah, the Pad Mini nails it. Small, easy to carry, but powerful enough to handle almost anything you throw at it. The OPPO Pad 5 Pro brings back a lot of those standout features, but with a twist. The Chen Shiyin color looks stunning in real life, total flagship vibes. And the moment you attach that floating Smart Touch keyboard, it feels almost ceremonial. Suddenly, it's not just a tablet, it feels like a laptop. But here's the surprising part. It's still super slim and light. Even with a 13.2-inch display, it's just 5.94 millimeters thick and 672 grams. No bulky laptop feel. Turn on keyboard and mouse sharing, and you can control your computer across devices. It feels natural instantly, no learning curve. You can even remote control your PC or use this as a second screen. And thanks to low latency, everything feels smooth. That sharp 3.4K display just makes it better. File management is another win. The updated PC-level system is simple and fast. Drag folders to the desktop, organize them easily, done. Honestly, it feels more intuitive than some computers. Now, creativity. That's where it shines. It works smoothly with popular software. PC-level WPS runs effortlessly, and apps like Silhouette Pro feel perfectly optimized. It's so close to desktop, you'll barely notice a difference. Editing 4K videos? Smooth. Switching from PC to tablet feels seamless, and sometimes even easier on this big touchscreen. Multitasking is next level too. The panoramic free window system lets you open multiple apps with flexible sizes, arrange floating windows, then use a 4-finger spread to snap into split screen. Adjust as needed. pinch back, and they float again. It's fast, fluid, and super easy. Performance, it's packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Heavy games like Genshin Impact run at a steady 60 FPS. With tuning, you can hit 2.7K at 120 FPS, even 3.4K at 144 in PUBG Mobile. On a screen this big, it feels insanely immersive. Battery life won't hold you back either. The massive 13,380 mAh battery keeps it going. Even after long idle time, Smart Sleep Mode saves enough charge for when you return. So here's the bottom line. The OPPO Pad Mini and OPPO Pad Pro serve different needs, and that's the point. Want something compact and easy? Go Mini. Need power and productivity? Go Pro. That's it for this one. Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!